Doing a quick video on this King Ranch before it gets posted online. This truck came in yesterday on trade on a F450 King Ranch. Customer was very specific with what he was looking for, and we happened to have it. We'll do a quick video of this. He's getting ready to start cleaning it. He has vacuumed it, but just wanted to kind of show the cleanliness of this truck. This man was extremely particular with his vehicle. More than particular, actually. You can see the condition of the leather, spray and bed liner, gooseneck ball. He was upgrading his trailer, going with something bigger, and you can see we haven't dressed the tires, we haven't painted under it. FX4 truck, so like an emerald green, sold new at Beach Ford in Newport News area. He's a Newport News customer, so very local, but extremely well loaded King Ranch. It's just hard to find trucks like this. I just wanted to document this one prior to the tires being shined and the frame being painted and all that good stuff. It is a very clean truck. Big screen, the dark leather, which is super rare. The two-tone green over beige is pretty unusual too. Rear overload airbags. Really one of the few modifications this truck has. He was a pretty simple guy as far as that goes. Just wanted something a little heavier duty for his trailer. Anyway, if you're looking for a nice truck, this is going to be one that everybody will be jealous over. And good miles too. I think just under 100,000 miles. I don't have the key out here, but it'll be on the website shortly, davis4x4.com. Thanks for watching.